It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Oh, my rhubarb has gone a bit on the crazy side. It's really doing well, that rhubarb is. Considering I bought it about 4 years ago, the crown. No, 5 years ago. Left it in my summer house for a year in the plastic bag. It started to root, so I put it in a pot and it was there for a couple of years, and last year I put it here and it's loving it. So this is going to be the first harvest of 2018. I want about £3 of rhubarb. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect